welcome back to the Ag Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about this sorrel here. So sorrel is a cool season herb, so you can plant it either early in the spring right after the ground thaws or late in the summer, or both if you would like. You can start harvesting the sorrel once the plant is established, which is about 4 inches tall, and then you can continue to reharvest it as it regrows throughout the growing season. You harvest the leaves by simply just picking them or cutting them off kind of close to the soil surface, and then you can either chop them up or use them whole, and it tastes kind of reminiscent to rhubarb, and it goes really well in soups like borscht. Thanks for joining us.